2, 1, go.
And they're off. In qualification match number 64, 69-19, the Commodores scoring the first coral for the Red Alliance, up on level 4 for 7 points for their Alliance, already scoring another one. Checking in on the blue lines, we have team 33-18, getting a coral up on that trough, along with their Alliance partner 10-4-82. 60-23, the Dispots line themselves up to deposit a coral on level 4 for 5 points for their Alliance, as on the Red Alliance, team 69-19 slams themselves into the reef. Team 44-68, Lynx Robotics tries to get a core from Human Player Station, but it bounces out as soon as they leave. Team 94-80, the Gear Bears, are spinning those gears to try to get over to the coral reef, deposit all the way up on level 4 for 5 points. Team 44-68, Lynx Robotics, getting their coral on the trough right now for 2 additional points. Team 33-18, the Robo Dragons, have flown their way over across the sea to play some defense against the Red Alliance. Team 69-19, the Commodores, seem to be playing some defense of their own as they've went over across the ocean. Team 33-18 returns to the blue side of the field, leaving only 2 robots on the red side. 44-68, Lynx Robotics, getting another coil in the trough for 2 points as the Gear Bears make their way to the top of the sea, depositing another coil for 5 additional points. The Buzzbots are buzzing around the field, depositing as many coils as they can in that trough, with as the Disbots place 4 coral in total this match on level 4 for 5 points each. The Gear Bears getting another coil on level 4 for 5 more points. With only 1 minute left remaining in the match, we're still neck and neck. The Red Alliance has a slight lead of 55 points to the Blue Alliance's 45 points. The Buzzbots are now making their way through the field, getting some more coral from Human Player Station. Team 60-23, the Discbots, getting their coral up on level 4. Team 44-68, Lynx Robotics, getting another coral from the Human Player Station as their alliance partner, the Gear Bears, getting another coral from the Human Player Station, depositing it up onto the coral reef. Team 10-4-82, the Buzzbots, have a coral in their possession and depositing it up on the trough. They're lining that trough up as much as they possibly can. Same thing with Lynx Robotics for the Red Alliance side. Team 69-19, the Commodores, seem to they have a coral stuck in their robot, and so they continue playing some defense against the Blue Line side. The Buzzbots have lined themselves up with the deep cage in attempts to make a deep hang. Team 69-19 has lined themselves as well for the Red Alliance. Only 10 points separate these two teams with only 10 seconds left remaining in the match. 69-19 are in the air along with Buzzbots. Team 33-18 sees if they can get in the air as well. With them, between both of them, that'd be 24 points. 60-23, Dispots joins them under. But Gear Bears are also parked themselves under with 44-68, Lynx Robotics ending at the Human Player Station. We're gonna have to wait for the referees to tally up these final scores to see who the winner of Qualification Match 64 will be here at the Peachtree District Championship presented by Mercer University. And the scores are in, and the match is a tie! With a final score of 88-88. Both these teams tried to go back to the future, but unfortunately they resulted in a tie. Each alliance earned 3 ranking points, 1 for winning the match, and each of them scored a point for getting at least 12 points, 14 points under the barge, and scoring at least 1 coral in all leaving during the autonomous period.